Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix any issues related to screen rotation on SONY Xperia 1 Mark VII. Let's begin. And all of these issues are usually resolved whenever you check if you have auto brightness enabled. I'm sorry, not auto brightness, the screen rotation, of course. You can easily do that by simply expanding your control center. We can expand it once again, but it is not necessary, since as we can see we have auto rotate right here, currently set to on. If we would turn it off, our auto rotation would be off and it wouldn't work. We can easily test that on, for example, Chrome. As you can see, currently we are stuck in the portrait mode and there is no way to rotate our screen. However, if we would go to the control center once again and we would enable it, we can see that it's already working. And now we can freely rotate to portrait mode and landscape mode as well. It's pretty important to note that not all applications actually support these. For example, most games, like Clash Royale, are locked into portrait mode, and other games, like Call of Duty Mobile, Genshin Impact and all of that, are locked in the landscape mode. And lastly, if you're still encountering any kind of issues, I would simply advise you to expand your control center once again, press the power icon and simply restart your phone. I know that this may sound kind of silly, but whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting the software, but hardware as well, including gyroscope, which is responsible for detecting how you are adjusting your phone based on your current location. So, it will detect if your phone should switch to portrait mode or landscape mode. If the gyroscope isn't working, then the screen rotation feature will not work as well. So rebooting it is pretty good. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.